I'm back! Today I'll be making a rocket out of recycled materials. The materials we need are paper, toilet roll. If you don't have toilet roll, you could use paper roll, glue, scissors, pencil, and tape. Now, we are going to start how to make a rocket. You could also play with your rocket when you're done. Look at my soldier holding it. It's very nice and it repeats also. This soldier you could buy but can be a bit expensive. But when you're done doing with the rocket, you might play with it or make one more and then play with it, you know. Let's put some fire. See that? That means he repeats whatever I say. So, you can play with the rocket just like how my army is playing with